Good Tuesday afternoon. I'm certified broadcast meteorologist Erika Martin with Weather Co-op, where weather meets community. I hope you're all having a wonderful Tuesday and prepping for all the weather across the nation. So many weather stories to talk about. I hope you didn't miss our live earlier today. We were talking about all the weather alerts that have been issued and that are currently in effect, but this is a good story right now. We are tracking that storm system over the high plains. It's not as strong as the one we saw last week sitting over the southern Rockies, but still it's a good one. Enough that's going to bring us some good precip and some good snowfall totals, but it looks like snow levels might be around 6,000 feet, perhaps 5,500 feet. Apart from that, we are tracking the storm system moving into the Pacific Northwest, triggering what looks like the atmospheric river and perhaps some really great signs of things to come. Let's get this going and put this into motion for you here. Now, it looks like we're also tapping into some tropical moisture here. There is a system that's hovering across the Caribbean. It's developing. It looks like it will strengthen. We'll talk more about that in a separate update. But for right now, we want you to keep in mind that we are tracking a tropical system and it looks like it could strengthen. We'll, of course, keep you updated. We will see warmer temperatures for some of you across the East Coast. Unfortunately, right now, we're not tapping into much more moisture for you there. We do need a break, especially considering the fire weather. But again, we're tracking this system, and the good news is at least an atmospheric river will help some of us across portions of central and southern California. And here it is for you. We're going to time this out hour by hour. Great news there, especially because of that mountain fire. And as we keep this going through Friday, look what happens here. Things start to fill in nicely. Now, are we going to get a lot of rain? No, but at least are we going to get some rain that can help with the situation as far as the really dry nature of central and southern California, right? Looks like some good news there. Apart from that, we've got some snow for some of you in the higher elevations, so enjoy. It looks like snow levels will be anywhere between 5,500 feet, perhaps 6,000 feet, but definitely some snow. Now, here is a big story that's happening in the Western Pacific, far Western Pacific. We have three systems, unfortunately, we're tracking very closely for you, and we're going to keep you updated in a separate forecast, but I do want to keep you in the know, especially the Philippines. Last week, Yin Zing made two landfalls, and then we saw it make a landfall in Vietnam. It had deteriorated by that point, but still, there is another system that looks like it will make it and impact the Philippines there. But you can see just how active the Western Pacific is right now at this point in time. And once again, I'm going to go ahead and upload these individually for you so you can track these at your will whenever you have time. I'm meteorologist Erika